Hello and welcome. I am Michael.
And I am Miranda, and we are the Danish power couple. We help network marketers build their business from within using attraction marketing.
Okay.
Hvorfor?
Du stopper bare sådan. Jeg tænkte, du havde mere at sige. Jeg blev helt forvirret. Okay. Tilbage. Relax. For.
Du er så dum.
Ja, fordi du glemmer at sige building from within.
Build your business from within using attraction marketing.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. Hello you and welcome. I am Michael.
And I am Miranda, and we are the Danish power couple. We help network marketers build their business from within using attraction marketing.
Yes, we do. And also we personally hold your hand, guiding you through the 6 levels of success for you to align yourself with your passion and build a foundation for you to bring in Okay, hold kæft.
Okay, tredje gang, lyttens gang.
Yes.
Så kører det.
Nu kører vi. Okay. Hello you and welcome. I am Michael.
And I am Miranda, and we are the Danish power couple. We help network marketers build their business from within using attraction marketing.
And we personally hold your hand through the 6 levels of success for you to align yourself with your passion and build a foundation to attract the right people and lifelong customers to your business. Welcome, welcome, welcome!
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yay!
Today's topic is all about aligning your business with your passion. Because
Powerful.
during the last 15, 16 months, we discovered how important it is to be in a business that are aligned with your passion. For the first 12 years of our journey in network marketing, we were in different kind of companies. And we did what we could to, do what our upline told us to do, sell some products and so on. But it never felt right. It never felt like it was what we were set to this earth to do. And we never really sold much. And when we entered into attraction marketing, we actually found out that it was because we were not into health and wellness. All the companies we've been in is health and wellness. And it's just not us. Yes, we work out and we try to eat healthy, but talking about it, being the go-to girl and guy in health and wellness,
we
knowing about,
Yeah.
products and that's just not us.
We never live, breathe, sleep, health and wellness, but we didn't know better, right?
No.
And they tell you in this industry that you have to be passionate about your product.
You have to be your product.
You have to be your product for people to join your business because you are so passionate about the benefits that you gain. How much your family loves your skin product or what it can do for them if they use your skin product. Okay, we have to turn that around and you not being passionate about your product, but you aligning a product with your passion. Okay, so let's take an example. If you love health and wellness, if you are the Zumba queen of the US, or you know everything about meal plans, how to eat healthy, how to cook healthy for your children, how to cook healthy quick in the morning, whatever it might be, if that is you and that's your passion and you love to talk about that, educate people on that, inspiring people to be more healthy, to do something about their life, whatever it might be, and use attraction marketing and start attracting people that needs to hear what you have to say, and you are in the makeup industry, you will have a hard time aligning your passion with the product you have. That said, you will not be making money-making activities, going out there and educating people online, telling them about special meal plans or giving them recipes, whatever makes you happy, because that's what aligning yourself with your passion means. It is you living a fulfilled life. And in the end, whatever we do is to reach more happiness, right? We travel to be more happy. We earn more money, take extra shift to maybe buy a new car for us to be more happy. Or we want to buy our dream house for us to be more happy. So aligning yourself with your passion will keep you happy every single day. And that's so amazing. But being in the online industry, an online entrepreneur, as I think you are watching this, the understanding on finding your passion and finding a company that's aligned with your passion for you to have solutions for the people coming your way because you talk your passion, you live your passion, you show your passion. You will attract people that have the same passion or inspired by the passion you have. Okay? So let me give an example. Our passion is network marketing. We have done this for years. We want to save this industry. We want to raise the percentage of people that succeed in this industry, right? And if we are passionate about that, and if you go check out our Facebook profile, we scream how to build this industry the right way.
Online.
If we were in health and wellness now, whatever we spend time on and going out there lifting this industry, educating, motivating, inspiring people to do better, we would have a hard time selling our health and wellness product because we are passionate about something totally different. So what we have done is align our 3 businesses that are all aligned with our passion, but also aligned with each other. So instead of this being a product or a business for people, it is a tool in our toolbox to go out and help the people coming to us and say, you know what, Michael, Miranda, I totally love what you do. I need help. What kind of solutions do you have? John, let me look in my toolbox and see what fits you the best. Okay, so if you have been told that you cannot build in multiple companies, that's a lie. Okay, what you need is to have more streams of income. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. But if you can align your income streams with each other and with your passion, you will be unstoppable. Because whoever comes your way, you know that if you look in your toolbox, you will have a solution for them, which in the end is a money-making activity for you. And of course, we are everybody here trying to build a business in the long run, right? So aligning yourself with your passion, whatever passion that might be, and you start talking your passion, showing who you are, what you stand for, what kind of values you have, why you do what you do, you will attract other people that really loves to hear what you have to say. And when you build these relationships with them, you would love to have a solution, not a product, not a company, but have a solution to help these people with their struggle. And when you show this solution to them and they say, yes, please, I would love to have that product, to have that tool, to have that platform, to have whatever it is, not only will it feel good for you to offer this solution to people, but also it's aligned with your passion and you will earn money in the long run, right? So aligning yourself first, it all starts from here, guys.
Yes.
Step 1, find out what is your passion. What is your passion? And if your passion is not aligned with the business that you are in right now, it's not the right place for you. Not the right place for you. Don't worry about your upline. Don't worry about the company that you are in. If it's not the right fit for you because you want to align yourself with your passion, live a fulfilled life, and stay happy, and also have the power to do what you need to do every single day for you to come a step closer to your goal, for you to become a better version of yourself every day, you need to have that passion that will make you unshakable. Exactly. Okay? And you will have to have a passion that builds up your posture, that builds your the skills you need for you to go out there and crush it, and for you to become an expert in people's eyes, and for you to be that above average person that people see as a leader, and they want you to lead them in whatever subject that you are talking about, okay? So aligning yourself, step number 1, with your passion, very important. Find out what that is. And I promise you that there is a network marketing company out there. There are over 250,000 network marketing companies. You will be able to go out there and find a company that is aligned with your passion, for you to show solutions to people coming your way that is aligned with what you talk about, and in the end, you will make the money. I hope this makes sense.
It does. Does for me, anyway.
The second we understood that we were not aligned with our passion, and the company we were in was not aligned with our passion, just like that, we got out of that company. We figured out what companies out there is aligned with our passion. We became a part of that. The rest is history. We broke one world record and we set a new one in 6 months, being passionate about what we do, not passionate about our products, but passionate about what we love to talk about. And the people we attract needs the solutions we have, which is the products. Okay? And now everything is aligned. If it's not number 1 solution, it might be number 2 or number 3. Who knows where we will be in a year from now? We might have 5 different companies all aligned with each other. So important. And aligned with us. And when you have that full package, you will be unstoppable.
Exactly.
Do you have anything to...
I think you said it all.
Because I'm so passionate about this.
And this is also a way for you to be totally authentic and never run out of ideas and where to look for knowledge and how to educate your target market, target audience. Because when you're passionate, nothing can stop you. Nothing.
Now she said target audience. Your target audience has nothing to do with your products.
No, it has something to do with your passion. And we will take that in another video.
Yes.
But it's really important to understand that your passion is the key to everything in your business. For it to grow and for attract the right people and to provide it as a solution without feeling wrong or weird or, it's also way easier to get out of your comfort zone when you are aligned with your passion, because then you are strong in your beliefs around your passion, around yourself, and nothing can stop you then. But if you keep, if you don't really know what your passion is, and if you don't align it with your business, you will always be shakeable. You will always, look somewhere else. Maybe that company is a fit, maybe that pay plan is better, maybe that upline is better, whatever it is, you will always be shakeable. But when you have your passion in check and align your business with it, nothing can knock you over, nothing. Because you know that you will align everything you do with your passion. And so whatever company, opportunity, whatever comes in your way, you will say no, thank you, but not because it's not a good opportunity, but because it's not aligned with your passion.
Yes, and that's exactly what we are experts in. This is exactly what we do in our free attraction marketing mentor group on Facebook. We align people with their passion. We help them align their passion with whatever industry, niche, products out there. We have a lot of knowledge in that. If you see the benefits of what we just told you, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. It doesn't cost a thing to jump on a meeting with us.
And the link is below the video.
The link is below the video. Jump on. Let us explain even deeper on what it means to be aligned with your passion and how we can help you do that.
Yes.
And you will feel the power of this 1 hour meeting with us. Usually it's around 1 hour. And we will explain to you how you can align yourself with whatever passion you have and what opportunities out there fits your passion. And if you see the benefits of that, We also know a lot of amazing uplines out there that will be more than willing to show you whatever opportunity they have for you to know if this is the right fit for your passion. Okay? So don't stand in your own way. Reach out to the Danish Power Couple. We are here to help you. This is what we love to do. This is what we do on a daily basis.
Just go click the link, choose the time that fits you.
Yes.
And let's jump on a meeting.
Let's do it, and we will show you the power of you. The power of you being unique, following the passion you love. And everything will start making more and more and more sense. And you will actually start getting the success that you're looking for.
Yes.
Yay!
So
that was it for us.
Don't forget to subscribe and put your notifications on if you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. And I hope to see you on the meeting. The link is down below. And we will see you on the next video.
Bye.